Are you losing your hair? Does hair loss make you feel self-conscious and less confident? What if there's a way to reverse hair thinning and grow your hair back? Introducing the new FDA-cleared iRESTORE Professional. iRESTORE is an at-home laser therapy system engineered to treat hair loss and grow back thicker, fuller hair. It uses clinically proven light technology to combat hair thinning and receding hairlines for both men and women. Unlike other devices, iRESTORE provides an unparalleled hair growth experience with ultra-soft, comfortable cushions. The astounding 282 lasers and LEDs make it possible to grow back fuller hair in just 25 minutes every other day. Our revolutionary design expands coverage across the sides and back of the scalp. This ensures maximum light energy is delivered to your shrinking hair follicles. This biochemical process enhances cell metabolism to reverse hair thinning and reactivate hair growth. You can use it on its own or combine it with other hair loss treatments to improve results. Our truly hands-free design makes it effortless to incorporate into your morning and evening routine without interrupting your life. With iRESTORE, you can expect to see visible results in as little as 3 months. The sooner you start treatment, the better, because your hair naturally becomes thinner and weaker over time. Try iRESTORE risk-free at home today. If you don't see results after 12 months, send it back for a full refund. No questions asked. We'll even cover return shipping. It's never been easier to regrow your hair in the comfort and privacy of your own home. iRESTORE is the future of hair restoration, right at your fingertips, unlike any other solution before. Get back your hair, your confidence, and your future with iRESTORE today. Visit iRESTORElaser.com now to learn more.